What's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a full review of Bluechew. I'm going to let you guys know 3 benefits that I personally experienced while using Bluechew that you guys can expect to experience yourself. And I'll let you guys know all the side effects that I experienced from using Bluechew. Out of the 3 benefits that I give you guys in today's video, number 3 is the most interesting, and I haven't heard a lot of YouTubers talk about it just yet, so make sure you stick around for that. Let's not waste any time, guys. We'll hop right into the video. So first off, what is Bluechew? Bluechew is a PDE5 inhibitor, so it has a nitric oxide effect in the body. What does this mean? Basically, it just increases blood flow throughout your body, specifically in the region down there. Now, if you're watching this video, you might be wondering, is Bluechew a good fit for you? Well, you don't necessarily have to be somebody who has ED or PE. If you guys don't know what that is, that's erectile dysfunction or premature ejaculation. For example, somebody like me, I'm 25 years old and I normally don't have issues down there. I really just tried Bluechew because I wanted to see if it would give me an extra pump, like an added boost on top of my normal performance in the bedroom. And I know a lot of you guys are probably wondering the same thing. So that's kind of the first myth I would like to dispel, is that you don't have to have problems down there, problems getting it up or anything like that, to still be able to try Bluechew. And before we get into the benefits, I will let you guys know that Bluechew's process was pretty easy to sign up. Now, again, as men, I feel like it can be kind of taboo to talk about subjects like this. I know some of you guys maybe don't want to go to your doctors, and by the way, this is not medical advice, but the thing I liked about Bluechew was that it was all online, so I didn't have to see anybody face to face. I didn't have to physically talk to anybody on the phone or anything. It's as simple as going on the website, putting in your information. They'll ask you basically like, hey, have you experienced trouble down there? If you would like to try Bluechew, you can just be like, oh yeah, I have, like a couple times in the past. And it's really as simple as that, and they'll send you the product. Now, benefit number 1 that I noticed about Bluechew, which helped me a lot, it actually helps you last longer in the bedroom. So again, being 25, I would say I first tried Bluechew when I was 24. And for a lot of younger guys out there, I know I can speak for a lot of us, it can be kind of hard lasting a long time. Now, when you're with your partner, you want them to be able to enjoy the experience for a while without you being like a 2-pump chump and literally like within like a minute or 2, you finishing, for lack of better words, and then just the whole experience is over. So the first thing that I noticed that Bluechew helped me with, which is really the original reason why I got it last year, was because it does help me last longer. Whereas before, maybe I would last like 2, 5, 10 minutes in the bedroom. From using Bluechew and implementing that, I noticed that I was lasting 30 minutes easily, which I never had been able to do prior. This is where it kind of comes into the equation that if you do have PE, now you don't have to have it as a medical condition, but again, just sometimes you might be nervous with the person that you're with your partner, if you're with like somebody new, and it's totally normal to finish kind of quick, especially if you've gone a while without getting some. Again, guys, I'm trying to be very careful with what I say. I'm not trying to be X-rated or anything. But yeah, if you guys want to last longer, Bluechew could definitely help you out with that. Benefit number 2 that I noticed, it helped me be more ferocious in the bedroom while also increasing my libido. Now, if you guys don't know what libido is basically like your sexual desire. So it's how much that you want to be with your partner, how much you want to engage with them in the bedroom and actually do the deed. Now, sometimes I get it. You guys could be working a lot, going through your own personal things, and you might not always be in the mood. Contrary to popular belief that all guys are just dogs and you just want it all the time. For somebody like me, you know, I'm working full time, I'm in school, I'm doing all these different things. Sometimes I could be tired, and yeah, I would like to be there with my lady, but I'm just not really in the mood. I'm tired. Well, Bluechew did do a weird thing. It didn't just help with blood flow, but I noticed that it actually made me want to engage in sex a bit more. Not only that, I think the confidence from knowing that, okay, 1, I wasn't gonna finish quick, and 2, there was like no chance that I was gonna go limp in the process. It just made me more ferocious and really just confident in the bedroom, to the point where I was trying new things. I was doing different positions, things that I normally wouldn't do, because I kind of had that extra added confidence that I wouldn't normally, simply from taking Bluechew. And benefit number 3 that I noticed is that it actually increases your size down there. Guys, you heard me correctly. It actually does increase the size of it down there. Now, I'm talking about both length and girth of it. If you guys weren't sure, it's not only just length that you guys want to increase. A lot of times for women's pleasure, girth actually matters a lot more than most guys would think. If you think about it, and again, without trying to be too X-rated, if you had you know what, which was as skinny as a pen, versus a you know what, which was like the size of a cucumber, it would feel totally different. So a lot of times, men who don't have proper and adequate blood flow from different things, maybe you drank a lot when you were younger, or maybe you were like fapping and doing kind of all those things that you shouldn't have done, and you just don't get your biggest that you normally should. Well, the beautiful thing about Bluechew is it literally makes you at your biggest size potential, which so many guys are never down there. A lot of guys don't even know how big they actually are because they do have issues pertaining to blood flow and things of that matter. So Bluechew is literally gonna make you the longest and the girthiest that you've ever been, and you'd be surprised. You might actually have some inches left in the tank that you never knew about. That was the case for me when I tried Bluechew. I remember with an ex of mine, I didn't let her know that I was trying it, and literally after the first time that I tried it and I was with her, the next day she commented like, babe, did you get bigger? And it blew my mind when I heard that because I didn't let her know that I had tried Bluechew or anything. She actually could feel the difference simply from me being at my longest and girthiest potential down there, which was crazy to me. So try out Bluechew if you guys want to increase your size. Now on to the side effects. Now, the few side effects that I personally experienced from using Bluechew, first off was having really red eyes. So I noticed, and I think it had something to do with the blood flow in my body being more than normal, my eyes got really red after taking Bluechew. Along with that, I had some nasal congestion. So I noticed that it felt like I had a stuffy nose. It wasn't to the point where it was hard to breathe, but out of my nose, there definitely was some nasal congestion. Some more side effects that other people have experienced in the past are things like dizziness, headaches. I didn't experience those myself, but those are potential side effects that you guys could experience from using Bluechew. Now, I always tell people with things like Bluechew, you don't want to rely on this. You don't want this to be your sole source of confidence in the bedroom, and you don't want to be taking this every time before you engage in sexy time. Again, this is not medical advice, but this is what Bluechew actually looks like. It's like a little round tablet, and it's literally just like a mint. You take it and you can just crush down on it and chew it. But I remember when I first was taking Bluechew, I wouldn't take the whole thing, guys. As you can see, it's round. I would take like just a little quarter of it, and then I would take a half sometimes. But again, don't take it every time that you are going to have sex, because then your brain is going to create a connection between, okay, every time that I have sex, I'm going to need to take a Bluechew. And then what happens if you don't have Bluechew? Then you're going to have performance anxiety. You'll be all in your head. Maybe you might not even be able to get it up because you relied on Bluechew so much. So I recommend, again, this is not medical advice, but save Bluechew for special occasions. Either, you know, if you have like a nice date coming up with your lady, or if it's the first time that you're with somebody and you really just need to put in work with them, try it then. But don't make it like a every time that you have sex type of occasion thing. Comment down below, have you guys tried Bluechew in the past? Are you thinking about trying it? Again, guys, I feel like topics like these we should be able to talk about in the men's health community without it being taboo or weird or anything like that. If you guys liked today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and turn on post notifications because I do post videos and content like this every single day. And if this video resonated with you, check out this video over here with me fully reviewing Bluechew and breaking it down in depth. All 3 different types of Bluechew. I love you guys, and I'll speak with you very soon. I'll see you tomorrow.